Alrighty guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the Scale tab under the Design Central panel. Before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a reminder for you, or for those that are new, this is a mini series on the Design Central panel, which is located here on the right. And I will leave relevant links in the description so you can actually follow along. Now, we've covered a few of the tabs already. So today we're going to be covering the Scale tab. Now, with the Design Central panel, just keep in mind it is the tabs will be displayed on it is relevant to what is selected. As we can see, we've got some text, so we have different options. We have a shape. Now we have different options again. And if you want to locate your Design Central panel, if it's not open for some reason, it's here next to your undo and redo buttons. Now, when it comes to the scaling, it's rather simple. If you used to using any other form of vector type program, you'll see it's very similar. So I'm going to draw a little square here, or a little square shape. Now keep in mind that the scale option will only be present with a few different types of things you can select. So for instance, a vector type shape or path, we will get the options for scaling and location, and with text as well we will get the same options. Now under the actual scale panel, or let's just see what they call. Yeah, they actually call it the scale panel, but you do get the location as well. So now on top here we've got the width for the obviously horizontal and vertical width, so we can actually adjust those. Just click these little arrows. As we can see, it scales it. At the moment you'll see I'm setting the width, but the height's also being set, and that is because proportional scaling basically, or editing, is on. So if I switch that off, now if I adjust it, only the width gets adjusted, as you can see. Same with the height. Another few ways we can set these values is we can click and use your mouse wheel inside the box, or you can use your up and down arrow keys. You can obviously also double click and put a value of your own, custom value, and then it will set those settings for you. And then under that we have the location. Now this is obviously X and Y, once again horizontally and vertically. So now you can use the arrows to set it from to the right, and to the negative it goes to the left. So positive, right, negative, left. Then this one you'll see actually with opposite, which I find rather strange. But so positive will be going down and negative will be going up. Then also we have this little option here, which will be the stationary point that the scaling will work from. So I'm going to keep proportion on. Now at the moment, as we can see here, it's set to the middle. So now if we scale it, it's going to scale it from the middle of the object that's selected. So let's say we go the top right perhaps. Now when we scale, you can see the top right point stays in position. And then you can obviously go middle right, middle left, bottom middle, and then likewise. So if you already have your shape or so forth lined up, you can always scale it like that relevant. So for instance, let's say you've got text selected, but you want to make sure it stays on the same position at the left, or perhaps in our case the left bottom. Then we'll select that bottom one, and then you can actually scale it up like so. Otherwise, that is it. That is the basics on the scaling tab under the Design Central. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have a nice little search option, so you can actually isolate your search if you're looking for anything specific. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.